Spectrum Mobile offers returns for equipment like phones, hotspots, and accessories. To return successfully, follow these key steps and check eligibility requirements. You can return various types of Spectrum Mobile equipment, including smartphones, mobile hotspots, and accessories like chargers or cases. To be eligible for return, most devices have a 30 to 60-day window from purchase, though this can vary. The equipment must be in its original packaging, undamaged, and you need proof of purchase. Unlocked devices, which are not tied to Spectrum's network, are generally easier to return compared to carrier-locked devices that require additional verification. To return equipment, first start the process through the Spectrum Mobile app or website to receive approval. This generates a prepaid shipping label, then ship the equipment. Your eligibility for return can depend on whether you have a postpaid or prepaid plan with Spectrum Mobile. If your equipment is defective, it usually qualifies for a free return within 30 days of purchase. Shipping labels, restocking fees, and the refund process. Once your return is approved, Spectrum will provide a prepaid shipping label via email or the app. Attach this label securely to your package for tracking. A prepaid shipping label covers the shipping cost up front, ensuring your package is tracked through delivery. Restocking fees apply to cover processing costs. Returns for defective items are typically free, while non-defective returns may incur a 10 to 15% fee after the initial 14-day period. These fees are waived for carrier-related issues, such as poor signal. After Spectrum receives and processes your return, refunds are issued to your original payment method within 3 to 5 business days. For prepaid plans, credits are applied to your account. Always double-check the specific terms on Spectrum's website or app, as policies can change.